What is a bubble? Mona buy banana. Banana cost 1 leaf. Mona eat banana. Life good, one day. Banana stores say banana harder to find. Banana rare. Banana valuable. Banana rare. Banana valuable everywhere. Mona has idea. If banana cost more tomorrow, Mona should buy more banana today. Right now. So Mona buy more banana to sell to other monkeys later for more leaves. Much more. Next day, banana now costs 2 leaves. Many monkeys start buying more bananas just to sell later. Banana now costs 5 leaves. Monkeys are buying and selling bananas fast, faster than ever before. Banana now costs 10 leaves. Monkeys start hoarding lots of bananas, not to eat, but to sell. Banana now costs 20 leaves. Banana mania sets in. Who wants bananas? I got bananas. Come buy. I'll take. 1, no. 2, no. 3. Buy. Buy good, now sell. Sell fast. So, you want a full banana in this economy. I can only afford the peel. Sadly. Look at that graph. It's all yellow. Buy bananas. Nobody wants coconuts anymore. Only bananas now. Every monkey becomes banana investor. Monkey News give banana tips. This just in. Banana is rare. Banana is valuable. Monkey YouTubers make banana commentary videos. Banana now cost 50 leaves, still rising. But why do prices keep going up? Monkeys have FOMO, or fear of missing out, badly. Monkeys worry if they don't buy bananas now, they will miss out on selling later for more leaves. Most monkeys don't understand why banana price going up, but don't want to be left behind. Wow, how did you afford that? I bought bananas before everyone else. That's how, obviously. A man, I should have bought bananas. Why didn't I buy bananas? I really should have. Monkeys also have herd behavior. If lots of monkeys make same decision, it feels like the right one. Basically, monkeys see monkeys do. Every monkey also thinks the price can only go up, forever. This creates a loop. Monkeys buy banana, which make banana price go up again and again. So more monkeys buy banana, which makes banana price go up. So more monkeys buy banana. Why do banks make bubble much bigger? When monkeys see banana price going up, some take out loans. But this is risky. If banana price go up, Mona makes even more leaves, quick and easy. But if price of banana go down, monkeys can lose everything and struggle to pay back leaves. Monkeys are buying more bananas than they can afford. This is called leverage, a risky game. Mona will now explain leverage. Okay, you monkeys ready? This is big brain time. Big monkey brain. Monkeys smart. I believe in you. Basically, Mona buys 100 bananas for 100 leaves. Simple start. Banana price go up 10%. Mona's bananas now worth 110 leaves. A nice little gain. Mona put in 100 leaves and now has 110, which is a 10% gain, not bad. Banana price go down 10%. Mona's bananas now worth 90 leaves, a 10% loss instead. Mona put in 100 leaves and now has 90, which is a 10% loss. Ouch. Mona gains or loses 10 leaves depending on direction. Now here comes leverage, the dangerous part. Leverage is when Mona buys 100 bananas for 100 leaves, but only uses 10 of her own. She borrows the other 90 from Monkey Bank. Banana price go up 10%. And now watch this. Bananas now worth 110 leaves. Mona still owes bank 90 leaves, but now has 20 leaves. Mona only put in 10 leaves of her own and now has 20. A 100% gain. But if banana price go down just 10%, Mona's bananas are now worth 90 leaves only. Mona still owes bank 90 leaves, but Mona now has 0 leaves left. Nothing at all. Mona put in 10 leaves and now has 0 and a debt to Monkey Bank. Painful. Do monkeys understand? Leverage basically lets Mona use the bank's leaves to make bigger investments, but it's dangerous. Banana market doesn't need to crash. It just has to wiggle a little. And Mona can gain or lose everything in that wiggle. Monkeys get it. Yes, high five. But why does leverage make bubble bigger? When banana price go up, leveraged Mona feels like a genius. And if many leveraged monkeys invest, it creates another loop, bigger and more dangerous each time. Monkeys borrow from banks to buy bananas. Banana price rises a little, worth more leaves now. So monkeys borrow from banks to buy more bananas. So banana price rises even further still. Basically, if banana hype is the bubble, cheap loans are King Kong with an air pump. After many monkeys do this, bananas now cost 100 leaves. This is officially a bubble now. A bubble is when the price of something go up way beyond what that thing is worth. Monkeys are buying bananas only to sell to other monkeys, not to eat them at all. But remember, banana is meant to be eaten. Now let's see how the bubble finally pops. Suddenly, monkeys get hungry. But monkeys can't eat all these bananas at once. Too many. Monkeys start to think bananas aren't worth 100 leaves. Bananas are everywhere. They grow on trees. Monkeys start to realize banana is just banana. Monkeys panic. Many start to sell their bananas. Monkey News tells Monkey Nation, this just in. Banana not that rare. Banana not that valuable. Monkey YouTubers make banana commentary videos. Price of banana dips lower and lower, day by day. Monkeys who borrowed leaves are in trouble now. Monkey banks force monkeys to sell their bananas. This creates yet another loop. Banana price drops a little. Leveraged monkeys lose all their leaves. Monkey banks demand their leaves back. Monkeys forced to sell bananas. Price falls further and further. Leveraged monkeys lose more leaves. Monkey banks demand more leaves back. More bananas get sold off. Price of banana drops from 100 to 50, to 20, to 10, to 5, to 1 leaf. Eventually, just half a leaf. Monkeys get desperate. Please buy my banana. Please. Someone buy it. Will someone buy my banana? Why did I put my life savings into bananas? They grow on trees. I got to get out. Sell, sell, sell. Can I pay in bananas? Don't be ridiculous. No. I can't believe I fell for it again. Every monkey tries to dump their bananas quickly now, while some manage to sell. Many monkeys are stuck holding to many worthless bananas, sadly stuck. These are the 4 stages of a bubble. Discovery, boom, mania, and finally, panic sets in. Discovery, new thing comes out. Monkeys excited. Boom, lots of monkeys buy the new thing fast. Mania, every monkey thinks new thing will make them rich. Panic, monkeys come back to reality. Monkeys that win and monkeys that lose. So monkeys can make many leaves from banana bubble. Monkeys who bought bananas early and sold before the bubble burst can make many leaves easily. Monkeys who bet on banana price crashing can also make many leaves from the whole thing. And monkeys who didn't buy banana at all still have their leaves. Safe and sound, lucky. Oh man, that was some nap. What did I miss? Oh my god, everything changed while I slept. But most monkeys don't know when bubble will burst, or if bubble is even a bubble yet. When bubble does burst and price crashes, most monkeys lose many leaves, all at once, badly. Monkeys who bought bananas late paid too much, and now their bananas are worthless, completely worthless. Monkeys who borrowed leaves from monkey banks are now stuck in debt, deep and painful debt. How to spot a bubble? Monkeys generally have trouble seeing a bubble before it's too late. But if monkeys look carefully, there are some red flags worth watching for, always worth checking. Red flags like average monkeys making many leaves very easily, without any real effort at all. Lots of monkeys borrowing leaves from monkey bank to invest in the exact same thing, together. Or lots of monkeys saying banana can only go up, never down, forever and ever, always. Bubble versus breakthrough. Not all new things are a bubble waiting to pop eventually. Some stay. Some things are actually useful after all the hype dies down, proving their real worth. For example, Mona use candle but Mona cold. Mona dark, wind not helping at all, still cold. Then Mona discover electricity. Mona warm, Mona has lights. Wind is good after all. Useful now. But some new things are not so useful. The AI bubble explained with bananas. One more time. One day, Mona discovers Smart Monkey. Smart Monkey can write, can draw, can even do taxes. But when Mona looks closely, writing is incorrect, drawing is off, and tax is fraudulent, sadly. But many monkeys think Smart Monkey will be the next big thing, despite all these flaws. Even though Smart Monkey doesn't make any leaves of her own. Not a single one, ever. Every monkey thinks Smart Monkey is rich because she has many bananas stacked up high, visibly. But actually, Big Banana Company just gives Smart Monkey leaves so she can buy banana herself. This makes Smart Monkey look like a business genius, even though she isn't one. Really. She still doesn't make any leaves of her own or know how to draw properly. Honestly. She also drinks way too much water, more than any monkey really needs. Quite a lot. So remember, monkeys, a bubble is when price of thing go way higher than it's worth. Don't fall for the hype. Bananas are for eating, not investing. And apes together strong, always.